Good day from Australia, Towbars Performance. Today I'm proud to present a Westfalia BC80 bike rack, which I'm a happy owner. It's free, you can attach 3 bikes to it, nice and secure. Comes with LED lights, with supporting European cars, 13-pin connection. You can also slide in your registration plates in there. If it's a European one, it just fits straight in, don't need to use any bolts. It clamps securely onto your tow wall and secured by a lock. So when you're having your lunch, no one should be able to touch it. Same goes for the bikes. Both bikes are secured by a lock. There's only one lock for all of them, so no one can actually take the bike. If you want to open the tailgate, so you can't do it with the bikes up, what you do on the lever, which is right here. Where is it? And then bike rack can be folded away, which allows you to securely open the gate. And when you're finished putting the stuff in the wood, you can lock it back in place and go and enjoy your bike ride, which I'm just about to do now. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day or weekend.